Hello everyone, this is Olivier with Sandra and Olivier Realty from Unveiled Real Estate. Today we are excited about our new lease listing, 4433 Eldorado, Plano, Texas, just across the Eldorado Park. It's an open layout, over 1,771 square feet, a lot of renovation, as you can see here in this beautiful kitchen. Along with a great media room, projector ready, featuring updated master bedroom, and this fantastic new frameless shower. Moving ready with a beautiful pool and deck, and very safe for kids and pets.